Hello sir, what's your name?
My name Ankush Kamboj,
So what's your stall name?
stall Sun Boilers Private Limited.
Okay. So how is your product is unique from others means what is the answer?
Okay, first of all, ma'am, I would like to tell you about us. We are manufacturer of steam boilers,
Okay.
which is used in poultry feed manufacturing plants.
Okay.
And our boiler are unique in many ways. First of all, we are making boilers on various kind of fuel, like whether it is wood, briquette, coal, and oil, gas, and everything. Second thing, we are doing turnkey project of boilers. In our industry, people give only boiler, and the accessories related to boiler they don't provide.
Okay.
So what we are giving, what we are doing, we are giving turnkey project, including accessories, including chimney, including like PRS station, header, steam line, and many other things. So we give single, or you can say one-stop solution to our customers.
Oh.
Second thing is that we are present all over India, and also giving our boilers out of India, in Nepal, Bangladesh, Nigeria. So we have our 24 by 7 service team available with us, which is like located in every states of India. So we have very good service approach. And third thing is that the boilers we are making in such a way which can deliver a economic steam, or you can say cheaper steam in most economical way to our customers. Means quality of steam is very good, so that they can make very premium feed by using that steam.
Okay.
And what are the reasons how we are making that there are some technical parameters in boilers which we have considered, like steam holding capacity,
Okay.
then heating surface area, then cell dia, cell length thickness, and then tube surface area. So these are the major things where we have worked more to deliver high quality steam for our customers.
Okay.
Yes.
Super information actually. So actually, like coming here, this is the first time you're participating in this expo.
Yeah. Madam, this is the first time.
Okay.
Actually, we thought many times that we should go to the Poultry India to get more like customer,
Footfalls.
customer footfall and more inquiries.
Okay.
And as on date, we are working with so many poultry feed manufacturers. Like you can see our
Yes, your
customer
clients are
client
here,
list, like Maharashtra Feed, Easy Feed, Sandhu Poultry, and many others are there. I cannot pronounce every customer.
Okay.
So we are working so many big customers of India, and the reason behind coming here is that we have got such a good presence in poultry feed that we should explore it more, because there is a big
Okay.
potential.
Okay.
So this is the one of the biggest show of poultry, and you can say South Asia's biggest show. So we are expecting more and more leads so that we can work more. Although we are doing good, but yes, there are some pockets, and you can say there are some leads which are like not coming to us, or either we are not going to them.
Okay.
So just to get more contact and more leads, we are here for the first time. And yes,
This is the first day. How are the footfalls till now?
yes, footfall is very good, and it is more than expectations.
Okay.
And we are expecting more, as our whole number is 7, so it is at the end. You can say at the little back end of the complete premises. So we are expecting more footfall tomorrow and after tomorrow, because
Okay.
some people may either will complete first few holes in day 1, and in day 2 and 3. So
Yes.
gradually they will come to hole 6, 7,
Yes.
and these things.
Yes.
So we are expecting more footfall.
Even you have some benefit also. This is the first stall while we are coming. So in that way they can see 7, 6. After that 4, 5 also. That may also happen.
Yes, that is the benefit, and our stall is very big. So
Yes.
once a person enter, and he can easily recognize.
Actually, among all the stalls, stall number 7 is like hall number 7 is the very biggest hall actually.
Yes,
You know there are 127 stalls are there in this.
Out of all halls, so hall number 7 is big. This is good thing for us,
Yes.
and that's why we are expecting more footfall at our stall.
Actually, year starts means we'll come with some resolutions. So already we are in end of the year and we are going to start another new year in a few months. What is your resolution about your company means what's the answer?
Yes, resolution wise, if I say that, see, our product is already superior,
Yes.
and what I will take resolution that I would like to do something more in services, because many of the customers, not ours, of other industry, what I feel that like other companies has supplied boilers to them, but they are not good in services what they should be. So our my resolution about New Year is that yes, there should be one more extra step regarding services. Like a customer should not feel that yes, services is little bit lagging, but there should not be any such kind of feeling. So we should be pro in services. Like once a customer feel any trouble is there, so next day he should the call, yeah, or the troubleshoot should be attended.
Okay.
So this kind of feeling should be there about an organization. So that is the way I would like to work. And if any of the area we are lacking in services, I will try to
Rectify
bring that. Yeah, I to try to bring that at that level.
Okay, all
Yes.
the very best. Have a
Thank
great
you.
day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I would like to take a photo. Photo ले लिया?